since I've been in the so-called spiritual journey, I feel like I have no, everything just keeps dropping.
Yes.
And it's like I have no interest in anything to the point where I feel I've become very lazy. I can't keep any appointments. I cannot commit to anything. I cannot exercise. I cannot do anything.
Yes.
So I'm not sure like if that is not.
Yes. You are a rare case. You are pregnant with yourself. You are giving birth to yourself. Somehow, funny things to say, but you know it's like this. There comes a times when everything, all interest will abandon, will drop. Everything will leave you. Everything leaves you. All the interest will go. Some people panic. They think, oh, I've become the most uninteresting person. You see? But somehow you don't mind. Then the thought comes. These thoughts will come. They start to become very visible then, in this moment. Some thoughts which are more deeper down, they will come. Yeah. And one of them will say, well, how can I go on like this? And what's left for me? What I can do? I'm lazy. This is laziness. You know.
What the biggest thought that keeps haunting me is, which I keep hearing, that somehow every person is unique and existence is experiencing its uniqueness through you. And I don't know what that is for me.
Forget about it. I don't even know what anything means. Even this will go. A lot is coming out because so much we are really so addicted to this taste of knowledge. I must know or understand what this means. And so a lot of energy gets held up trying to wait for something to make sense or to reveal itself. And then if it's like this, then the mind itself will conjure up some explanation in order to have the taste of, okay, now I know what that means. So even this you can let go. Don't know anything at all almost. You can let it go. Everything is taken. It's not you are doing it. It's taking place for you. It's beautiful. And it will completely wring out everything.
And then will something come?
Yes. It is there. It's not coming in from somewhere else. But, and I say this with, it's very close to me what you're saying. Because this experience also came. That some things were falling away. And questions come, you know. Maybe some part of us wants to salvage something. Like, I'm not ready to let go of this yet. And all of this is showing up in this stripping down. Some things are appearing in you that you would never think that this had anything to do with me, but it feels like it's loud in this moment coming even, you see. And in my case, in those days, I always had the feeling, well, you know, I'm not really interested in, money is not my thing. It still isn't, not really. But in those days, everything was going. I had nothing at all for a while. And yet I knew in my heart that this was also part of what was, of the state of purifying something, washing something out. But you come down to really, when you say you have nothing, some people say I have nothing, you know, but they have £500 in the bank. That's their nothing. But I mean nothing. You have nothing. You're looking around in your pockets, old pockets, to see if you can find some change or something like this. But it was never, sometimes it would feel like maybe I'm abandoned, you know, because I was put all so much trust in God, in existence, you know. I felt also that something is revealing itself, that I am taking care of you. But sometimes doubt comes because, like, there was no food and the belly is going, no, but kid, you know, it's time, where are you? Somebody comes to the house, and one of my brothers would come. I had no money. He would come and sit down, and he would take out his money and start to count the big fat ones. So, if I could only have £1, that would be okay. But inside I knew I'm not to ask. Don't ask for this. Because your mind wants it. Your mind is fearing and it's want to ask, listen, could you, in the past I've given you money, you give me £1. But something felt ashamed in my heart. I said, no, don't ask for this. Then the mind says, yes, but this is a sign from God. He's telling you, ask your brother. Look how much money he has, this is it, no? And so something wants to be, maybe, no, it's not this. It doesn't show itself like this. It's like you have to listen. Huh? It's so intimate. This unseen lover in you, revealing all the tricks that you have identified. You become so skilled, smooth operator, and you've seen all the tricks, all the little forcefulness that you are calling spontaneous, but you see, no, it's actually forced. And so this felt like there's an education going on, and doubt is coming. Doubt, maybe I'm supposed to do this. That's why they answer, and the mind start to go to all these strategies. You see, but everything is being opened up to the light to see, and you see that something is afraid to hit rock bottom. And rock bottom means to have this thing where your last penny is spent. There's no more penny coming. There's no penny trees. Fear. And then this moment come. And immense feeling of space and freedom. Immense feeling of space is there. Not what you expect. You expect to be desperate. In those days, and because all of this was unfolding in my own town, I didn't run away and come to India. In the middle of London, no money. And also I was a teacher at college, so everybody knew a teacher at college. Then also mine was saying, well, you have no money, maybe you have to go to the market, look in one of the big bins, the vegetable bins, to see if you can get some vegetables. All the fears, you see. None of this came. In fact, through those days, I began to travel. Everybody was inviting me to travel, pay my fare and stuff like this, but I had no money. So when you come to here, in your case, someone like you, so blessed, some things have been combed out of you. All your little techniques, strategies for existing, all your street wiseness has been combed out. And you're like an infant again, sitting on the lap of God. And then, like this, let everything go. Rumi said something in this respect, beautiful, some of you know it. He said, whoever brought me here must take me home. So like this, it does its own work. In each one, unique things will be discovered. And we're afraid, the mind is afraid to taste discomfort. It will put lots of stuff, cleverness in that way. It will put philosophy there. But you come to the fire with folded hands. You say, okay, I am not going to bargain. You don't go to a restaurant carrying your own menu. You come to life like this. Let what come. Like this, something is washed out. And behind this, the infinite is showing itself. I'm very happy for you. I know these, the twists and turns of what has to happen when the being is burping out all this, all the lies. So it's very, very great. Sometimes we wonder, I cannot see a way out because now I've run out of moves. Yeah? When relying upon my own skill, I have run out of moves. I don't know, I don't have some private stash somewhere. I run out of moves. What you see is what is here. There's no money under the bed, nothing. And in this moment, everything becomes possible. I could not look and see, okay, now I see where I'm going. No, I couldn't see a way in which, how could anything come? I have no support. And in this moment comes your great surprises. Don't think you know the way to your own deliverance. Something comes like this, abundance in every way come. But now you're not depending anymore. It's nothing for you. Such is the path of the free. So I'm very, very happy to hear from you what is happening.